people. So today is April 5th, and I'm so looking forward to, in the evening at 9 in the night, we'll all, switch off lights for 9 minutes and stand in the balcony with some light. So I'd like to do a recording at that point, but I wonder whether I'll be able to do a recording in the dark, so that is very, it makes me think. But seriously, people, so in this particular review, in this particular video, I want to review this. On Netflix, there's this show called She. That stars Aditi Pohankar and Vijay Verma, and my God, yeah, I mean it is a Imtiaz Ali production, but it's been directed by Avinash Das and Arif Ali. See, I've learnt all these names. But I've learnt these names, but they are such brilliant directors that it's only a matter of time where everybody would know these people, so yeah. But Aditi Pohankar, yeah, I mean her name is Aditi Sudhir Pohankar. I went and I literally did one whole background research, because her character is what makes the show what it is. Basically it's about this very underconfident woman constable who's been sent on this mission to catch this drug lord. So it's just, I mean, the series starts like that, and overall, yeah, it's, I mean, she's a woman constable, but really she could be anyone, like in terms of, no matter from what walk of life you are, you identify with her character. I mean, like she wants to do her best, but she's underconfident in front of her seniors, and it's such a brilliant portrayal. So really, I think it's one of the finest performances I've seen in recent times. So people, you'll have to go and check it out. It's called, the series is called She, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.